Oh, hey there. So we are back with Google Docs plugin. So now I'm going to show you how to insert breaks in the pages, which is if you want to go to the next line, that's called a break. So you are breaking from this line to a different line, or you can break away to the next page as well. So you can continue from here to next page. So this is the form for that. So first we'll give the ID of the document. We can copy it from here. This is the ID. Then the index of the area where you need the page break. So I want break here. So these line 2 and 3 should start from the next page. So I'll check which index I need the break. So first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in 7 I need page break. So I'll give 7. This drop down is for section break. So I'll explain that later. So first I'll do the page break. So as you can see, this line 1 is in the first page. Then in the second page, line 2 and 3 starts. So this is how you do page break. Then I'll return this in the original position. Then I'll do the section break. So for section break, I'll do the same values, but here there is a drop down where you can do continuous and next page. Continuous means there will be a gap here and these will continue in the same page. Or if you choose next page, I guess the same thing will happen as for page break. So if I do continuous, I click on the button, you can see there's a gap. Now if I choose next page and if I click on the button, you can see it starts from the next page. So yeah, this is how you do page break or section break. Now we'll check what API we are using in the workflow. So this is the API called insert page break, where you need document ID, access token and index of the area where you need break. And for section break, there is access token, document ID, section type, which we chose from the dropdown, the index where you need break, and the segment ID. Segment ID is for header or footer. So if you need breaks in header or footer, you can give a segment ID, which is the header or footer ID. So yeah, this is how you insert page breaks or section breaks in a document. Thank you.